Welcome to this video on the fundamentals of grounding transformer systems. We will explore how engineering an artificial neutral point is essential for effective power system protection and fault current control. Grounding transformer systems are critical infrastructure components. Engineers use them to build stable, reliable neutral reference points within a power system. Ungrounded systems lack a physical neutral. This deficiency can lead to dangerous transient overvoltages during single line-to-ground faults, which destabilizes phase voltages and poses a serious risk to sensitive equipment. A grounding transformer solves this by connecting the three-phase system to the earth, creating an artificial neutral point. This provides a return path for fault current, allowing protective relays to detect and safely isolate the circuit. It is important to distinguish between grounding and isolation transformers. While isolation transformers electrically separate circuits, a grounding transformer is specifically designed to create a neutral point and manage fault current safely with minimal voltage transformation. The Zig-Zag configuration is a common choice for grounding transformers. It uses no secondary winding, instead dividing each phase into two sections wound in opposite directions and connected in a Y configuration to the line side. These opposing windings control magnetic flux. Under normal conditions, balanced currents cancel out, providing high impedance. However, during a fault, the currents flow in time phase, resulting in very low impedance. To further enhance safety, a neutral grounding resistor is connected to the neutral point. This limits ground fault current, typically to between 2 and 12 amps, preventing thermal stress and giving relays time to clear the fault. Standard relays may miss small ground faults, so engineers use ground differential relays, or 87G. These relays provide sensitive protection by comparing the residual ground current to the neutral current. Faults occurring near the neutral of a Y winding are notoriously difficult to detect. Because phase current remains low, standard relays often fail. Sensitive ground relaying is required to monitor these specific conditions. Directional supervision is key to preventing incorrect trips. By using the residual ground current as a reference, the relay can distinguish between internal and external faults, tripping only when necessary. Correct polarity is crucial. Improper wiring of current transformers has caused numerous false trips. It is essential that the polarity of the neutral current transformer perfectly matches the phase current transformers. To verify these connections, engineers perform an offline phantom ground test. By injecting a low-voltage AC source into the circuit, they can simulate an external fault and confirm the relay settings are correct. By integrating the Zig-Zag transformer, the neutral grounding resistor, and the 87G relay, engineers create a stable system architecture that protects the grid from transient damage.